In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Outlook 365. We'll walk through the web version so you can follow along from any computer. Start by opening your browser and heading to Microsoft.com. At the top of the page, open the All Microsoft menu, then choose Outlook. When Outlook loads, select Sign In and enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you use Outlook for work or school, make sure you're signing in with the right account so your meeting goes on the correct calendar. Once you're signed in, switch to Calendar. You'll see your monthly and daily views, along with a button to create new events. To schedule a meeting, you can do it one of two ways. Click New Event near the top, or click directly on the date and time slot you want. Both options open the same event window. Start by giving your meeting a clear, specific title. This is what attendees will see on their calendars, so something like Project Kickoff or Monthly Check-In works well. Next, add the email addresses of the attendees. As you type, Outlook will suggest contacts. Pick the right people and keep an eye out for duplicates. Set the time by choosing your start and end times. If your team spans multiple regions, quickly confirm your time zone so everyone joins at the right moment. You can also make sure the duration matches your agenda. Trimming a meeting from an hour to 45 minutes can help everyone stay focused. Use the description or notes field to add context, include a brief agenda, any links to documents, and what you expect participants to prepare. Clear notes reduce confusion and help the meeting start smoothly. If you want this to be an online meeting, turn on the toggle to enable a Teams meeting. Outlook will automatically generate a Microsoft Teams link and dial in details when available so attendees can join with one click. When everything looks good, click Save. The event is added to your calendar and your attendees will receive the invitation depending on your organization's settings. It's a good idea to double check that it appears on the right calendar and that the Teams link shows up in the location or description. Before you move on, glance over the attendee list and timing to avoid conflicts. If you need to adjust anything after saving, open the event, make your edits, and save once more. Outlook will update the invite for everyone. That's it. You've scheduled a meeting in Outlook 365 from start to finish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.